Grabe, hindi pa rin ako makaget over na may nagpadala na naman ng PR package sa akin. Feeling ko tuloy certified influencer na ako. Char! What's up mga Lodi? Ito nga Cheers PH give me this Happy Mess Baon Prep PR package that I will be using today to prepare my baon and stock for work. And I will be sharing with you a spread or palaman recipe na madali lang gawin and for sure you and your family would really love. And we'll be calling this as Tuna Tropical Spread. But before we start, maglinis muna tayo and using the Cheers disinfecting wipes, punasan natin itong table para to make sure na germ-free. Then using the Cheers Jumbo Kitchen towels, punasan na rin natin itong mga bowls and plates na ating gagamitin. Now, let's grab our Cheers cutleries and start combining all the ingredients for our delicious spread. Sa isang bowl, ilagay natin ang 1 can of tuna flakes and oil na kahit anong titulo pwede. Tapos, maglagay din tayo nitong Jolly Whole Corn Kernels to add some texture. Kutob-kutob na lang kung gaano karami pero of course, the more, the jollier. Then now, let's add the Jolly Pineapple tidbits na magbibigay tropical vibes sa ating spread. And by the way, kasama na rin pala itong mga Jolly products sa pinadalang PR package. Then this time, let's put the all-purpose mayo. Kayo na rin bahala kung anong pamagatang gusto nyo. Then I just add some salt and pepper to taste. Next, syempre, we just need to mekos-mekos this all together. Then once it was mixed well, pwede na natin itong ilagay dito sa Gardenia High Fiber Whole Wheat Bread na kasama dito sa PR package. Uy, talaga naman this is a healthy snack for everyone. Using the Cheers spoon, let's generously spread the mixture onto the bread. Add some more para mas jolly. And once done, just top it off with another slice. At gamit itong Cheers disposable knife, hiniwa ko na rin to into half para maging bite size na lang siya para ma-share ko na rin. Then dito sa Cheers small size resealable storage bag ko na ito nilagay para safe and ma-maintain yung freshness ng baon natin. Yung hindi ko naman naubos na spread, tinakpan ko na muna nitong Cheers cling wrap bago ilagay sa ref. O diba? Ganun lang kadalit ka-exciting ang paggawa ng ating tuna tropical spread. Kaya naman kung ako sa inyo, i-try nyo na rin. Pero wait, parang di ko ata natikman yung gawa ko. Sheesh! Di bale, kakainin ko na nga muna ito at gagawa na lang ako ng iba. Likewise, thanks to Cheers Happy Mess Baon Preps, now packing my baon is more smarter, easier, and way more fun. Yan lang, thanks for watching, like, share, and follow for more.